Hello everybody, it's Chef Paulie here, and I've got a setup here for one of my favorite anytime go-to snacks. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, I don't care, but here it is. I've got a couple eggs beaten up, and we're gonna do a quick omelet here. I've got 2 eggs, some Gouda, and we're gonna first of all throw some butter in here in our heated pan. So we'll go ahead and get that going around here. Like I said, you can't go wrong with some butter, right? So now that our pan's heated up here, get nice coat going on. It'll start to brown a little bit. Go ahead and pour our egg in there. And what's cool about omelet, they're so versatile. You can do anything. Put anything in it. Alright, she's going away, cooking away here. And just keep draining I guess not necessarily draining, but pushing this forward and letting the excess uncooked egg drip down to the front. See how that is. So it's cooking up nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little salt, a little pepper. We'll go ahead and get our cheese in there. Doesn't hurt to get that in there and get it melting. And I stick it down toward the lower half here. Starting to tear in just a little bit, but that's okay. We're gonna fold it again. This is gonna be super tasty. You're gonna love these, right? So I'm gonna sit down toward the bottom where my lip of the thing is, of the pan is. Go ahead and flip that. And then I'm gonna kill my heat because I don't need any more heat. And then I'm gonna bring my plate down. Get this bowl out of the way. Push my butter back. And we're gonna go ahead and flip this out. But there you go. It is omelet time. Golden brown. That's butter action right there. So, like, subscribe, enjoy.